everybody, we are back with Timber Talks. I'm here today at BSW Timber Carlisle Sawmill, and we're just about to go and find Harry Stevens and ask him questions. Okay, Harry, welcome welcome back to Timber Talks. What are we talking about today?
Hello Georgina, and we are standing in the log yard at BSW Carlisle, which is one of the 6 sawmills that we have within the group in Britain. This would be sort of more a medium-sized sawmill with capacity of somewhere between 200 and 300,000 tonnes of logs in, and we've got a lorry load of logs being unloaded behind us, which has come from Forestry Land Scotland in Galloway. A load of 4.9 logs, lovely quality, that we're putting down for initial storage until it's then sorted in the log yard that's behind us, the log grading line that's behind us over there. So we've got about 6 acres of tarmac here where we store the logs, so reasonable scale operation, and just at the moment we've got 1, 2, 3 lorries on site tipping at the moment.
Hi Steve. Steve, what is your job role?
I am a raw materials supervisor.
Fantastic. What does that entail?
Supervising raw materials. There you go.
Fantastic.
From when the stock comes in into that gate there until it goes into the mill, it's my responsibility. After that, I've changed the responsibility to the mill.
Good work.
So the first part of the process within that is the bark. We take the bark off. Why do we take the bark off? Because we want the other co-products that come off, the sawdust and the hat chips, to be clean, bark free, so it can be used then within the chipboard industry or the paper industry. So bark is sold into the horticultural sector as a substitute for peat, and it's increasingly being used within that.
Harry, tell us about this area. What is this product?
So about 40% of the log that comes in ends up being chipped into what we call hack chips, of which we have a few hundred tons behind us here. And so this is really what we're looking for. These bits are a bit too small, but it's a nice, clean, consistent product. And this will end up in the chipboard industry. It's a market that's increased quite strongly over the last 20 years with the interest of biomass. So there's a market for burning this that there never used to be, but the large majority of it ends up in either the chipboard industry or going to make paper or cardboard or something like that.